Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to put multiple pictures on one layer in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, create a new file, type your file name, white, height, resolution, pixels, okay. Then again click the file tab and scripts, load file into stack, browse and open your image folder. Example, choose this image, hold Control and select multiple image, click OK. Then wait 5 seconds or some moment, loading to this multiple image file. Okay, then zoom out, click on the first layer, then hold shift, click on the last layer, then select all image, then press Ctrl T, hold shift resize, or click on the move tool, then move this image or another tab, proceed. Then again press Ctrl T on your mouse, resize. Okay. Then choose image layer, choose specific image layer or use auto select, then place your image. Okay. Press Ctrl T, hold shift resize. Then again apply the same process. Hold Ctrl, select multiple image or choose the first layer and down. Hold shift, choose the last layer. Then press Ctrl E on your keyboard and see this on your. Use background, hold Ctrl, press Ctrl E. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.